episode. Today we will be reviewing assembly expectations. We all have to work together to make each assembly a success. Over 400 kids in one room. That is a lot of kids.
Let's take a look at our assembly matrix. Here at WYE, we are respectful, responsible leaders throughout our whole school. It is important to be respectful to the speakers and presenters. This means we're listening with your eyes, ears, and whole heart. When it is time to applaud, you applaud appropriately. That will look like clapping for a few seconds and trying not to be the last one clapping.
We are responsible by participating appropriately at some assemblies. Presenters ask for audience participation. Other assemblies are just to be watched. When grade levels are performing their music show, it is their time to shine. You shouldn't be singing along unless they have invited you to. I know it is hard because Mr. Hamlin always picks kid favorites to perform.
We should be leaders throughout the assembly. That means entering and exiting in an orderly manner. Kids should have their eyes on their teacher to know when it is time to transition.
During the performance, remember to stay on your pockets so that everyone can see. The performers and speakers have worked really hard to prepare. We want to show our support. We will not make fun of any errors and encourage them to do their best. Have you ever noticed how many kids seem to have a restroom situation or must get a drink during the assembly? How can we be proactive to make sure there are fewer distractions during the assembly? Use the restroom before the assembly. Only ask to use the restroom if it is an emergency. We don't want anyone to have an accident and getting up for no reason is disruptive. Let's work together to show interest in each performance.
Let's watch some kids enter the gym as if they are going to an assembly. They will follow the matrix and be respectful, responsible leaders.
I can't wait for the next assembly. I know that our leaders will shine and use what they have learned from our matrix to make the next assembly the best one yet.
Don't forget to be the most amazing leader today.